Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we are going to attempt a progress monitoring for our addition and subtraction problems because we have finally finished our hardest type of change problem, and those are the ones that we worked on yesterday. Many of them look really, really good. If you're a scholar that has not finished all of your change problem work, you should not do this progress monitoring today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record going into Kami. I'm going to record reading the problems. I'm going to go ahead and set up your strip diagrams for you so that when you open it up, you will have access to all the things that we talked about. You'll be able to see the markings and you'll be able to make some good decisions. So let's go ahead and open up the assignment. We're going to open with Kami. And you can see that it's very short. There are 2 pages, however, the back one is only for me. So you really only have 2 problems today, and that means they're worth more points. I want to read you how you're going to be graded. So you're going to get 1 point for placing the information in the correct place on the organizer. Boys and girls, I only have a few people who are putting that mystery number in the correct place. I need you to be sure in order to get your points today that you are putting the mystery number where it belongs. You are getting 1 point for writing a number sentence that accurately represents the problem, right? And then you get a 3rd point for getting the correct answer. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the strip diagram for problem 1. And sorry, that wasn't a great strip diagram, but I think it will do. I'm going to mark the 2nd one. And then I'm just going to mark some of the important information as we go. Now, if you've done a progress monitor with me or with Mrs. Oberroy before, then you know that on our progress monitors, there is an interview part, and that is one-on-one with the teacher, but I really have not figured out how I'm going to do that. I'm going to sit down tomorrow and look at my schedule to see if it's at all possible for me to schedule some one-on-one time with you through Google Meets. If that does work out, then you will have an assigned time and it will be really important for you to get on. But I will send some more information about that should that come to light. If it does not, we will simply do the written portion of the progress monitor and kind of look at our scores and move on from there. Are you ready? Let's do this. I'm gonna zoom in just a wee bit. Here we go. Matt had 7 toy cars. He got 6 more toy cars for his birthday. How many cars does Matt have now? So in the story, I heard that Matt had some cars and he got some more cars, and we're looking for how many cars he has now. So when you open this up, it's going to be marked just like this. I'm going to save it in that fashion. And so as you go, you can play the video, pause it, and come to your Kami page and fill it out. Mom or dad can read it for you, however it works best for you. Okay? All right, let's move on to question 2. Mr. Ortega bought a carton of 12 eggs at the store. His family ate 6 of the eggs for breakfast. How many eggs are left in the carton? In this story, I heard that Mr. Ortega bought a carton of 12 eggs and his family ate some of the eggs, and we are looking for how many eggs are left. So when you pull this up and you get to this problem, I want you to have mom or dad or someone at home that can help you reread it. Think about the story. fill in your organizer. That'll be step 2. Think about, is that all the eggs are part of the eggs? Is that all the eggs are part of the eggs? Is that all the eggs are part of the eggs? Put those where they go, and then decide whether it's an adding or subtracting pattern. Same thing for the story about the toy cars. When you're finished, I want you to submit, and you will hear more from me about whether we are going to do the interview one-on-one with a Google Meets time, or whether we are just going to move on depending on grades. You do have to have a certain number of points to move on, and it might be that some of you move on because you got the points that you needed. But if you did not get the points that you needed, you will be redoing the lessons from the change problems. So slow down, use all the strategies that you've learned, and do your very best. I know you're going to rock this. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.